Me and the boys just got back from a trip to Izu over Golden Week. I took 197 clips of video. We might need multiple videos on this one. Well, buckle up for a few videos, guys, at least. Yeah, this is camping weather, all right. Jesus Christ. Alright, today's camping day, so we're gonna meet up with the boys here in Kawasaki at some point, but that some point is probably an hour and a half from now, so I'm up here at the mall getting some food, staying in the shade because the weather is what we call in the business shit, yo. So one of us got 8 hours of sleep last night. The other one was partying with a model. Model? I saw her photo.
You're talking about the lady?
Yeah. So which one of us had a better night? Thinking about, you know, what we're doing today.
Today?
He did.
Yesterday?
Yep. I got all my stuff here. I got the chair. And I got my Alpha over here too, so. What they say, man, pack the essentials. All right, boys, we're going to the car. I don't know where we're going after that. It's gonna drop you off in the middle of the woods, man.
We don't have alcohol yet.
I have it in my backpack right here.
What kind you got?
My favorite True Highs. We're having some trouble loading up the car.
What?
So this won't fit.
Grab the Starling.
There, grab that, yeah.
Yeah, take that in the front with you.
So how are we doing this, guys?
Put it on the side or something.
You're gonna sit here, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
And then,
All right.
So you might want to put that on your lap.
So,
No, I got room over here. Hold on, I'm
No,
just.
I don't have room. That's
your bag, you can probably.
Wait. You gotta pull a lever. There's a lever. There's something in front of it.
You want me to come around?
Yeah, me coming around the
Should be on
mountain.
that side. Wouldn't be on that side. It's on the side.
I love it when your ADHD activates, bro.
Okay.
There you go.
That's how we do it in the show.
You're gonna hit your head. It's gonna
And then-
slam you in the head, bro.
And Alpha, you can put your bag right here.
No, that's good. I'm trying to hang it up somewhere. So that, there we go. Okay.
What about this?
Thank you.
Now we're good to go.
Yeah, just.
Wait, hold on. There's a crevasse right here.
Yeah.
Crobbles.
Found it.
Does it work? Looks like it works.
No, it's good.
Now we're loading up the ice in the food cooler. This is gonna be an operation.
Everything out right now.
You know it's going to be games right when you buy some of these. Then some vodka.
Yep.
Suka.
They're robbing us. I think everybody's got their streaming setups done. Not easy. I got chocolate in my hands.
Hey, that's you.
Stay there.
There's a truck right here. See the truck?
I can say it nice that you do two-way street.
Why do you put but they do have one thing.
Wow, it's windy as hell up here. Look at this. Wow. That's the Mishima Skywalk right there.
Something we can check out on it.
Yeah, oh, easily, yeah. You ever see one of these before, Michi and Aki?
Yeah. I told you I lived in this area.
Oh, nice. Yeah, these places are fun.
How do you think I'm the one that recommended this? That's why.
Oh, I thought it was because I wanted to go to Shimoda this summer.
No, it's because they said I wanted to go camping.
Oh.
Everyone wanted to change the. Everyone was they were. Me and Alpha were gonna go to Thailand. But
Right.
the flights got too expensive.
Oh, yeah.
And I was like, okay, let's go to Osaka. But then Lamario and Squall pulled out. And I was like, okay, let's go camping then.
Yeah.
As a
Oh,
backup.
bathroom's over here. These places are fun. You got like all the local fruits and stuff in here. I love it. You got a restaurant. kind of on a time crunch, so I'm gonna not dawdle in here. I'm just gonna get some local stuff. All right, I got my local essentials. I got my beer, 2 beers. I got a beverage. We're good to go. Hi, James.
I'm waiting for Alpha to get sick. James is super.
James, you're a driver.
Come on, man. This is a race, bro. No. No, bro. Oh my god.
Damn. God damn, James.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna hood.
Guys, what do you call it? The Forza Bridge and the inertia that James is causing is
Oh, Jesus
making us
Christ.
very nervous. That was awesome. Wow.
That was pretty fun. Dude, you've had your flashlight on the whole time. Yeah. We're here. I'm gonna sleep right there on that thing. Look at this. This is wild. There's nothing. Absolutely nothing. I love it. Smells good. Just made it.
I'm pretty
Cheers,
sure
bro.
This is real This is real camping, guys. Okay, because you're gonna sleep in a building, and then there's vending machines everywhere, and there's real toilets. Yeah, and you can put your tent not on the ground, on a wooden platform, because that's what camping is, right? Right? Wrong.
This is like
All wrong.
This is like a fucking picnic.
But it's fun. It's fun.
That's the thing. It is fun.
It's fun. That's the point.
I'm with
of
my
it.
boys, so I mean, I'm
Yeah.
gonna bitch about it.
I'm not bitching about it. I'm just giving
No,
facts.
I'm gonna bitch about it.
Okay, you're good. Check out my gear.
Because it's not camping.
Look at my. It's heavy, but it's
What
beautiful.
happened?
I can't wait to see how YouTube auto subtitles that. I bought another party camera. Let's see if my friends can take some good photos with this thing. All right, I'm teaching my buddies how to take film pictures.
I know what it is.
Did you?
Are you sure? No,
you set it already?
No, you can do it. Go ahead. Here we go, boys. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, we got thunder going now, huh? That's the sunset with the clouds there. Wow. Blue sky is there, but everywhere else it's starting to storm a bit. We're going over to the Max Value supermarket over here.
Who the fuck is gonna watch a YouTube video about you going to fucking Max Value? What the fuck, Zach? I thought you were coming up with like a good idea or something.
It's my YouTube channel, man. I don't have any good ideas whatsoever.
Yeah, fair. All right.
The very essence of camping. A 7-Eleven that has swim trunks. All right, we're gonna start cooking, aren't we?
No.
Yep. Yeah, here's the bungalow we're staying in. Looks pretty cool. I'm gonna sleep up there. We built the fire. Everyone's chilling. He's meal prepping. That's how we do it. So, to celebrate our camping trip, yep. I'm gonna try out the new lemon infused True High.
Fuck you, Zach.
Love you, Cliff. Red Dog Rebels on Instagram.
What's up, guys? How you doing? Just letting you guys know, I actually love Zach. Zach's one cool.
I'm trying to record a part of my vlog here, so I'm gonna try to open this without it exploding. You can't see the. Oh, good, it didn't explode. All right, we're good. It smells like the other ones. It has the same smell, but it's 7%, so it's slightly stronger and it's got a more rich flavor apparently. So let's try it out.
Thanks, man. You don't even know, bro.
Oh, I love it.
So if we go to,
Dude, this tastes like lemonade.
if we just go on.
Try this shit.
I tried before. Oh, this is a new one.
Yeah, it's the new one. Tastes like lemonade.
Well, that's dangerous.
Yeah, it is. That's good. Hell yeah. All right, so Red Dog, tell me what you're doing.
Boys? Well, we got some homemade burgers here.
Yeah.
So we got diced onion and diced garlic.
Yep.
So I'm just putting them together right now. Enough to feed these boys. We got some potato salad. We got some hot dogs,
Oh, yeah.
mustard, ketchup. Yep.
We're hot dogging.
We're hot dogging, and then I'm gonna raw dog it with our boy here, James. James is gonna get raw dog.
James is cooking a fire here. Yep.
Time for a delicious fire. This is my
I feel into a burning ring of fire.
I'll play that right now. No, I think that's an STD because your ass is on fire.
But afterwards, yeah, we can eat.
Let's eat a red dog burger with some barbecue sauce. Yeah. He just handed me my light. This thing's hot. Damn. We found a frog.
It's a big frog.
He's a biggin. This is a type of
He's
toad.
a biggin, mama. He's a biggin.
Yeah, it's a biggin. Yeah, he's a big one, all right. That's for sure. He's just sitting here for some reason. I'm pretty sure he likes the light, though. He's amphibious.
Dang it.
So here's my my bed's up here like this. And then James, you're gonna be on the ground, right? How's this set up?
Well, look, see this?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hit my head on that.
Oh.
Over on that side, that shit is I'm gonna bump into that.
Right.
So this is giving me more headroom.
Right.
And you are,
I'll put my head in the corner there.
well.
I sleep pretty snugly, so I'm not so worried about that.
Akasan gonna be at the bottom?
I guess so. Yeah, I'll be down here.
And then I'm gonna. Yeah, whatever.